I'm Sam Miller. I'm the founder and CEO of Proteus Motion. I was an athlete of all sports growing up, and therefore a rehab patient of all sorts. And I was, I think, really impacted by that whole journey in realizing that there were a couple deficiencies that were pretty significant in the rehab process. So fast forward 2016, I decided that the time was right to develop a solution that combined a new method of training that was focused on optimizing movement instead of isolating muscles.
It's bigger too. So the initial system was the version 1 system. That one was primarily driven in a very prototypey R&D type method. So designing, testing, iterating, checking, going back, designing, testing, iterating, checking. Our design was primarily based on what we could do in-house and kind of keep it lean and cheap and do everything in-house. But what happens is that when you design towards that method, you can't really scale it.
For us, with a lot of our internal workforce going remote, on top of maintaining a network of third-party industrial design firms and a contract manufacturer, having a platform that allowed for collaboration remotely was super important for us. 3D Experience provided a really solid solution to accelerate those R&D efforts.
It's been helping us in the collaboration aspect where we're not sending CAD models over email anymore. We're not changing revisions, then naming it like Rev A-1.1.1. The tracking inside SOLIDWORKS and the releasing and the freezing in work, all that stuff is incredibly helpful for us.
Once we adopted the 3D Experience platform, it was really a game changer for us.
For commercial fitness, you need to have a 6x safety factor for all load-bearing components, which is, it's a tremendous safety factor compared to other industries. And for us to do that, we really needed finite element analysis. So having the FEA built in, we iterated hundreds, if not thousands of times on the frame, on the shafts, on the pulleys, on the belts, on every single component was touched by the FEA provided through 3D Experience. And we're at a point where we're extremely confident that we have that 6x safety factor all over, and we've optimized not only for the strength, but then using those designs, costing it down, working with our contract manufacturer to figure out these are the areas we need to have strength, these are the areas we don't. How can we make this cheaper?
Let's think about which movements those are, because I'm gonna bet. With a business like ours that is really heavily reliant on rapid prototyping, field testing, and an iterative cycle, we strongly believe that this file sharing system and this platform has increased the velocity of our R&D, which really translates into just business efficiency through and through.